aside from that, so
Well, I'm sure you heard that. This is where our problems started for the weekend. This was Friday afternoon, and as you heard the car leave, you heard that nice little stumble, which left us chasing our tails all weekend. We replaced the fuel regulator, we checked the carburetor 1,000 times, and we could just never figure it out. So the car lost like a tenth right there, and we don't know what happened. The only thing really left that we figured out after we left is the fuel pump. So from this point on, we're scratching our heads the entire way. All right, so right before this pass, we found that the fuel pressure gauge was off. It's a old-timey Stewart Warner gauge that my dad just absolutely loves. I absolutely think that they don't work well. So we was trying to set the fuel pressure and realized that the gauge was bad. So we went out and got a gauge that just screws into the fuel regulator, and we set it that way. Turns out it was at like 9 pounds. So we adjusted it, and after this pass, we thought it was fixed. Alright guys, so yeah, we was first round ducks. We had that issue that was fighting all weekend. But overall, not a bad showing. It was a great time. I got to hang out with my dad, who I haven't seen in months, and my nephew. And it was a good time. We were there Friday and Saturday. It was supposed to go into Sunday, but it got rained out. So luckily, I just headed south right after Saturday. But I mean, I would definitely going to go back. Hopefully, next year we could take our car. It's the weekend right after LS Fest at the exact same place. It's in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Whoever put it on, I know Holley put it on, but whoever organized it did a really good job. There was literally anything for anyone, so I highly recommend going. The only thing I wish they had more of was like the grudge cars. There wasn't too many like super fast cars. That white Viper was by far my favorite car, and I couldn't stay away from it. That thing was gorgeous. But that's gonna do it for us. I wish I would have taken more video. I'm sorry, but comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.